Welcome back to our channel, Dave and Rose Travels. In this video, we take you to Cacao, a world-renowned patissier selling coffees, chocolates, and macaroons. So stay tuned, you gotta watch this. Dave and Rose Travels. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell. And here we are in Cacao, a world-renowned patissier. And if you're not sure what a patissier is, a patissier is a maker or seller of pastries and cakes. Cacao is located within the Blanc Spa Resort, adults only, all-inclusive, and is a part of what you pay for when you purchase your all-inclusive package. Wait a moment, if you haven't seen our last video where we take you to Blanc Spa Resort's Lagoon Pool, we eat some tasty food and play some cornhole. We take you on a tour of that said pool and then show you the Morelet's crocodile that lives in the lagoon. So make sure you watch that. Let's talk about Cacao. When coming to Cacao, you can order coffees, lattes, cappuccinos, espressos, frappes, or do you have a sweet tooth? These fresh-made delicacies like chocolates, macaroons, cakes, cookies, and the famous crepe that originates from the Marquesitas of Mérida, Yucatan, Mexico. Tasty. Cacao has it all. Chef Gonzalo Ponce Munoz is the patissier for Cacao. Cacao and Chef Gonzalo Ponce Munoz are so popular. Chef Gonzalo was interviewed for an article of Forbes in December of 2020. When you have turned down service in your room, the chocolates come from Cacao. When watching the chocolate tasting segment of this video, you'll notice a lot of head nodding and a lot of facial expressions that just tells you how tasty the chocolate is. Now let the taste testing begin. Subscribe. Which chocolate is that?
It's the coffee.
Rum and coconut. How's that one? Is it rummy? Coconutty? Okay, so now try the toffee. Is that one good? Now the coconut. Super hot.
Coconut. Good. Tasty, huh? Okay, this is the toffee one. Good. And the last one, the coffee.
That's really tasty.
Here's the coconut one.
That toffee one has a really good flavor to it.
Does it?
Okay, coconut and rum.
Coconut.
And rum. Rum y coco.
Later.
In our next video, we watch an impromptu wedding, and we order up some tasty room service dinner. Then we take a mini tour around the resort. Chocolates. Then we come back to our room where there's some ever so fancy turn down service going on. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. I see a lot of you watching our videos and not subscribing. Subscribing will make sure that you see our future videos, and we have a lot more coming from LeBlanc Spa Resort, adults only, all inclusive, so subscribe.